Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a DIY project. Yes, so today our DIY project will be very simple and very fun, family friendly. So today we are going to make a bee. We're going to make a bee, and you must be wondering why I'm showing you guys the slipper, because I have made the bee. I have used this to make the bee because I did not like the one that was on the internet. It was too complicated. I want something very simple and you still can identify that it is a bee that I am making. So the things that you're going to need is a glitter foam sheet. You're going to need 3 colors. You're going to need gold, black, white, or silver. And you can use yellow as well, but I chose to use gold. You're going to need a hot glue gun with a stick, and you're going to need the scissors and pencil, and you're going to need a mounting tape, or you can use a normal tape to put it on the wall. So let's get straight. So for the head, I have used my baby bottle cover. You can use anything round. This is the size I want, so this is the size I use. So for the body of the bee, you're going to draw it like you're drawing a leaf. So for the wings, I'm using white. I'm going to follow the same procedure. You're going to do this round. You're just drawing it just like how you would have drawn flowers. So for the strips, the black line, so it's very straightforward. So all you're going to do is go to cut a little strip of black glitter foam sheet, and I have cut 2 already. 3 should be enough to do it. Now that we have everything together, now it's time to glue. I'm just setting it. For you guys, it's easier to do it section by section, and you see how easy and quickly you get this done. So as you know, the black strip is going to go across. You can cut it the size that you want it, but this is the size that I'm working with. And there we have it, your very own DIY bee that can be pasted on a wall. It can be used for a photo shoot or a baby shower, but you know, if you're going to use it for a photo shoot or a baby shower, maybe you have to make it a bit bigger. And that's it for today, folks. Like, share, and comment and tell me what you think, and you can comment and tell me what else do you want me to make for you guys. Until next time, bye.